A very good morning to all of you. This is a video for the students of class 8th, subject science. We were studying chapter number 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. This is your lecture number 2. Topics to be covered in this lecture are: first is Project Tiger, migration, deforestation, cause of deforestation, conservation of forest. First topic is Project Tiger. This Project Tiger was launched by the Government of India in 1973. And what is the aim of this project? To save tiger from extinction due to illegal hunting. Okay, and this project has helped in strengthening the habitat and thus to increase in tiger population in the reserved areas. Means its objective was to safeguard the survival and maintenance of the tiger population in the country. Various tiger reserves were created in the country. Today, there are 47 tiger reserves in 18 states of India. This project has helped in strengthening the habitat and to increase the population of tiger in the reserved areas. Now next topic is migration. Migration means to move one place to another place. So we know that animals move from one place to another to escape from extreme cold or to breed or to find food. Birds, fish, whales and butterflies are some migratory animals like Arctic tern. It is a migratory bird and it makes the longest migration from South Pole to North Pole when it is winter in the south and summer in the north. Then this bird moves from South Pole to North Pole. Okay, Arctic tern makes the longest migration. And there are many other birds, whales and fishes, okay, which move from one place to another place. And they are called migratory animals. Like some fishes move from one place to another place to lay their eggs. Okay, and after hatching their eggs, they return to their original place. So they are called migratory animals. Next topic is deforestation. What is deforestation? The cutting down of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. Means the cutting down of forest and using that land for other purposes is called deforestation. Deforestation has adverse impacts on the environment. The effects on the environment are: first is it affects balance in nature. Means we know that forests serve as a home to a variety of animals that depend on each other for food and other things. Means for many animals, forest is a home, and destruction of forest adversely affects the food chains, thus disturbing the balance in nature, because forests provide food to many animals, many things. So when we cut down the trees, then it affects the food chains and disturb the balance in nature. So first is it affects balance in nature. Second is global warming. So as we have already learned that trees use carbon dioxide to prepare their food. So when forests are cut down, the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere goes up, which results in the increase in temperature and cause global warming, means increase the temperature of the earth. Third is disturbs the water cycle. Now, how it disturbs water cycle? We know that trees bring rain. So, the decrease in number of trees results in decreasing rainfall, means it will decrease rainfall. So, it disturbs the water cycle, which ultimately leads to drought, means it disturbs the water cycle and leads to drought. Now next is desertification. Now what does it mean? What is desertification? Cutting down of trees is also responsible for the change in physical properties, like it changes the nutrient content, texture of the soil, okay, and deforestation exposes the topsoil by agents like wind and water that are responsible for soil erosion, means by wind and water nutrients washed away and soil become erode, and the erosion of top layer of soil exposes the hard rocky layer which have less humus, means the soil become less fertile, okay, which have less humus and less fertile. In this way, fertile land gets converted into deserts, and this process of converting fertile land into desert is called desertification, okay. So it is also a effect of deforestation. Desertification is when the fertile land gets converted into desert. This is called desertification. Now the other effects are, it reduces water table. Water table means level of groundwater. So deforestation also affects the water holding capacity of soil, which ultimately reduces the infiltration of water into the ground, okay, and it causes floods as well. It means what? Deforestation reduces water table. Next is depletion of resources. Deforestation also leads to the depletion of sources like wood, food, medicines, etc. Because these all are forest products, and if we cut down trees on a large scale, then we cannot get these products. So it will also deplete some resources. Next is habitat loss, means loss of precious wildlife is the major effect of deforestation. The natural habitats of many wild animals are destroyed due to deforestation, and as a result some animals die while some other migrate to other region. So it is the major effect of deforestation, habitat loss. So these are some effects on the environment, okay, means effects of the deforestation, means deforestation has adverse effects on the environment. Now we will study causes of deforestation. That what are the causes of deforestation? The main reason of deforestation are, first is human beings are the main cause of deforestation. We cut down trees to fulfill our needs. Means we cut down trees for our needs. Like if we want to use land for some purposes, then we cut down the trees. So human beings are the main cause of deforestation. Forests are cleared to use land for the cultivation of crops, construction of houses, roads, factories, etc. Okay. So these are the main cause of deforestation. Means we cut down the trees to fulfill our needs. Second cause is overgrazing by cattle, sheep, etc. destroy grasslands and young trees. Third is forest fire is a natural cause of deforestation. Natural disasters like floods, earthquake and drought are some other reasons of deforestation. Okay, means forest fire is a natural cause of deforestation. Flood, earthquake and droughts are some other reasons, other natural reasons of deforestation. Now our next topic is conservation of forests. Means now we will discuss that how can we save or conserve our forest. So first way is reforestation. Now what is the meaning of reforestation? The planting of new trees. Where forests have been destroyed is called reforestation. Means by planting new trees we can conserve forest. The Forest Conservation Act 1980 and Wildlife Protection Act taken in 1972 deal with the conservation of forest. Means these two acts deal with the conservation of forest. And the main aim of these acts is to preserve and conserve forest and to meet the basic needs of people living there. Okay, means the main aim is to preserve and to conserve forest. And second way is recycling of paper. Means we know that paper is made from trees. So recycling of paper is also a way by which we can conserve forest. By saving paper, we are helping to save trees. And by this way, we can also save energy and water because paper is made from trees. So if we recycle the paper, it means we are saving trees. So paper should be recycled. And what is recycled paper? Recycled paper is made from waste paper. Okay, so we should recycle the paper. But not all varieties of paper can be recycled. Okay, tissues, napkins and paper towel, they cannot be recycled. Okay, tissues cannot be recycled. So all varieties of paper cannot be recycled. Now what are the advantages of recycling paper? First advantage is we can save the trees. Okay, and the other advantages are, first is it saves trees and it also saves energy as well as water used for manufacturing paper, because water is used for manufacturing the paper. So we are saving water also. Okay, and the other advantage is that the use of harmful chemical will also be reduced, because some chemicals are used to make paper. Okay, we use harmful chemicals. Then if we recycle the paper, it means we will reduce the use of harmful chemicals. Students, now we will discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. First question was MCQ A part. The flora of an area includes. So answer is only plants. B part. Dodo is an. So dodo is an extinct species. C part. The organization that maintains the red data book is. So organization name is IUCN. IUCN means International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resource. So organization name is IUCN. D part. The first national park of India is. So answer is Jim Corbett National Park. It is the first national park in India which was set up in 1936. Now second question was fill in the blanks. A part. Dash book list all endangered animals. So answer is Red Data Book. Red Data Book is a book which lists all endangered animals. B part. Species that are found in particular area are called dash species. So answer is endemic species. C part. Blue whale is an dash species. So blue whale is an example of endangered species. D part. Project Tiger was launched in India in the year. Answer is in 1973. E part. Simplable National Park located in. So it is located in Odisha. Okay. Question number 3 was what is an ecosystem? So ecosystem refers to the interaction of organisms with one another and with their environment in which they occur. Question number 4 was distinguish between extinct and endangered species. So extinct species are those species of plants and animals which do not exist anymore. Okay, means the species of plants and animals which do not exist on the earth are known as extinct species. They are not on the earth. Okay. Example are dinosaur and dodo. Now endangered species. These are those species of plants and animals that are at a high risk of becoming extinct. Okay. They are known as endangered species. Means those species of plants and animals that are high risk of becoming extinct are known as endangered species. For example, blue whale and crocodile. Now your today's homework is question number 1. What is cutting down of trees on a large scale called? Question number 2. What is the aim of the Forest Conservation Act? Question number 3. Differentiate between deforestation and reforestation. Question number 4. List any 4 causes of deforestation. Question number 5. Define migration. That what is migration? So these are 5 questions you have to do in your fair notebook today. So this ends for today's lecture. Thank you.